Hi guys, welcome back to my humble workshop. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I glue guitars necks to their bodies. As you may have already heard from my previous videos, when restoring old Soviet-era guitars made in the USSR, I glue their necks because its initial construction is like this. The neck is loose here. We have an adjustable bolt here, but what is the problem? This kind of neck is never in its right position. Whatever you do with the bolt, it's either lopsided or the action is wrong, and to correct it you have to put something in here like a pencil. Moreover, this type of joint absorbs too much energy from the string that should go to the soundboard to make guitar sound louder. And so look what this guitar initially looked like. And now I'm going to show you what I do with such guitars. I removed parts of wood that prevents the neck from sitting tight here. Now I managed to lower it. There is no gap here anymore. And I'm going to glue it in here in this position. And this video is devoted to how I choose proper angle when gluing the neck, both in this way and in this way. And then upon finding this proper angle, I'll fix it here forever. I'm going to fix it temporarily with a clamp here. Let's now prepare some so-called jigs for holding it in place. When you don't have two-sided masking tape, you may use this way how to glue it. Oh, it's now here. I'm going to use this bridge, and I'll have now to adjust the next angle to its height. Let's take a long ruler. I need to remove some wood from here now. Now that we know it has right angle here, let's position it in this way. So here I have a mark where its central axis goes, and 4 centimeters to the left and to the right. I put the ruler along the fretboard edge and see where its end is. It means it should be corrected like this. Yeah, now it's all right. Well, and now that I know that here it's right position, I'll remove the clamp and glue it exactly in this place. Thanks for watching, guys. That's it for now. I'll show you the results soon. Bye bye. See you later, guys. Take care.